Everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how you can search for best HP laptop. This is not a very fancy video. It just, I will let you know how you can precisely look for HP laptop, especially which is cost effective and value for money. So open your browser and type amazon.com. Once you have typed it, amazon.com, you need to log into your Amazon account and then in the search icon, just type laptop and hit enter or click on search like this. Once you do that, at the left hand side, you will find reviews and the brands. So I will select HP, and once you are done that, at the top right corner where you have this sort by featured, selected by average customer review. This is a very important part. Once you do that, hooray, we have lot of options now to see and check which exactly we need. So the moment we scroll down, we get the newest laptop for $349. The one which is catching my eye is HP Pavilion Gaming 15-inch laptop, i5 processor, GTX 1650, 12 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD. It will cost you $838, and there are a lot of choices through which you can get it for $738, and there is a huge discount as well. Depends on your country. You can go through one by one. So here we have 1000 reviews for this HP laptop sale, and this is again a HP laptop sale computer, 928 reviews. You can go through with these laptops and decide yourself. This is not at all a sponsored video. It is just how you can search effectively to get a value for money laptop if you're looking for HP laptop computer. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe and just play around here, just search, do the research and get a good laptop for yourself. Have a wonderful day.